In Hartford, the capital city is now joining the list of the dozens of cities and towns closing schools for 2 weeks. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Courtney Zeller is live at Hartford City Hall, where a news conference with the mayor just wrapped up. Courtney?
Well, Dennis, we can also add Crack and Magnet schools here in Hartford to that list. So students will go to school tomorrow, but starting Monday, schools here in Hartford will close for 2 weeks. However, the mayor did say today he's not putting an end date on this. Around that 2-week mark is when leaders will decide whether to keep schools closed or if they should reopen. Now, we do know earlier today around noontime, Sand School dismissed. They are on Main Street. A staff member recently returned from London and reported a low-grade fever. The staff member is at home. Now, the mayor mentioned in this press conference that just wrapped up moments ago that right now there are no confirmed coronavirus cases in Hartford, but he also mentioned not enough testing has been done. Now that schools are shutting down, there is a lot of concern with parents. You are going to hear from one, but first, here's more of what the mayor had to say.
I hope everyone knows that this is not a decision that any of us take lightly. We have been in constant consultation with public health experts, with our colleagues at the state, with colleagues around the state. And as you also know, there are many districts and many cities that are coming to the same conclusion.
What would you do? I mean, do you have a backup plan? Do you have a babysitter or someone who can watch the kids while you go to work?
No, I don't at the moment. It's really hard sometimes. Not sure what to do, to be honest.
And what about meals? A lot of these students rely on hot meals, breakfast and lunch. So also announced today there are going to be 8 locations set up around the Hartford area where students will have access to those hot meals. I can tell you it will be all prepared. It's a kind of a grab and go situation. We asked about those locations and we were told they will have that information out later later tonight rather. And we of course will bring that to you as soon as we get it. For now, we're live at the mobile newsroom in Hartford. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness.